Contract Maker Pro is a professional-grade app that will allow you to turn your iPhone, iPad, or iTouch into a digital contract making machine. You will be able to create, edit, sign, and email Adobe PDF documents all from your Apple device. While it comes with several simple example contracts, it's really designed to allow you to use the content of the same paper-based contracts and forms you are already using for your job or business. First, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to use, and then I'm going to show you how to get it set up and the amazing customization features. To make a new contract, you will select a contract template from your main screen. First, choose a document template. In this case, let's say I need to generate a sales receipt for a customer on location. Next, I choose my client, in this case, Mindy Bobindi. Then I pick the date and time of the transaction. At this point, I can either edit this draft or preview the document. Contract Maker takes your information as well as your client's information and automatically embeds it into the language of the contract. If it looks good, press sign and your client can then sign using their finger right on the iPhone. Archive your contracts by selecting Email, which will then send an Adobe Acrobat PDF or JPEG version by email to you as well as your client. These PDF files can then be printed if you ever need a hard copy. That's all there is to it. No more papers, clutter, or hassle. The beauty of Contract Maker Pro is that it can handle many types of documents, not just contracts and receipts, but releases and invoices and a wide range of documents depending on how you set it up and design your own custom forms. The first thing you should do as soon as you download your Contract Maker is set it up. This is done in the settings, which is the contractor's information and signature. The idea behind this is you will only have to enter your information once, and the app will automatically embed it into each new contract. You can also select to whom emailed copies should go, either to yourself, your client, or to the both of you. If you've used our other app, Photographer's Contract Maker, you will notice many great new features here, including the option to choose how the document will be saved, either as a PDF, a JPEG, or both. There are also 2 additional email addresses you can configure to receive copies of the contract. For example, maybe your supervisor and your secretary would like copies. Now, we also have many special new features in the settings which we will have to cover later in another video. On the very bottom of the settings page, you have 2 trash bins, one for old contracts and the other for old templates. The trash bins allow you to restore deleted articles or erase them permanently. Your client list is linked directly with your iPhone contact list, and there are 2 ways to add clients. One, you can import directly from your iPhone contacts, or you can add a client from within the app, and this will also add the individual to your phone's contact list. The beauty of the contact list is that it allows you to isolate a number of contacts to one short client list. This makes it faster to access your clients. You can even edit, text, or call your clients directly from the list of this app. Once your job with the client is completed and you have emailed and deleted your contracts from your device, you can remove your client from the list and it will still retain their contact information on your phone. One of the most common questions I get about Contract Maker is if you can customize the form, and the answer is absolutely yes. This is what it was designed for. We have to recognize that there are at least 2 types of contracts you will see in Contract Maker. There are templates and there are drafts, and they are both edited differently. Templates are the basic contracts with no contact information or signature added. Drafts are single contracts which has contact information included. Contract Maker Pro comes with 7 types of example contract templates. While these were composed and checked by a lawyer, we recommend you consult your local attorney to make sure the wording is appropriate depending on where you live. Contract Maker apps have all the tools you need to completely change and customize the language as needed. To edit templates, go to your home screen and select Edit. This takes you to the Template Edit screen. There are 4 types of template tools. The plus sign allows you to start a blank template from scratch. Now, there are easier ways to make a template than typing it in, such as using a copy and paste, but I will have to show you this in a later video. 2x duplicates a current template, and this is great if you have similar forms or contracts and you just need to alter a few parts of it. Edit allows you to open a template and change the wording. Delete allows you to remove a template from your list and send it to the trash bin in your settings. Contract Maker Pro can hold an unlimited number of templates on the main screen. Let me show you a quick editing example. We have this precautionary language here we want to remove. Simply select the point of your cursor and delete. Now you will notice this very important button here called placeholders. These are very important sets of information that will hold a place for the data you need in your contract. The more placeholders you have, the more your customization options. This first version of Contract Maker Pro comes with an amazing 52 different placeholders. Let me show you how it works. Let's say I wanted to add something like my client's phone number to a document. I would open the template I'm interested in, place my cursor where I want the data to appear, and click on the placeholders button. I scroll to the client.phone placeholder and select it. The app will automatically drop this into the template, and once you save it, your new template will always insert your client information into this spot. And this is what makes Contract Maker Pro so powerful. Once you set your templates up, it's going to work the same for every different client. It's going to take their information and insert it. To edit drafts, this is simple. Once you've selected the type of contract you want, your client, date, you just select Edit Draft, and then you can make the changes you want to a single document. It will not affect your template you use to create it. I realize you're probably interested in transferring some of your own documents and forms into Contract Maker Pro. This is the best way to do it, and I would definitely recommend keeping it simple the first time around. The best way to do it is to email a copy of the form to yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your document on your computer in either Word or whatever text editing program you use. You are going to select the text and copy it. Paste that text into an email and send it to yourself. Open that email on your Apple device, select that text, and copy it. Now you're going to go into Contract Maker, open it up, select Edit, add a new template with the plus sign, and then you are going to paste the text into the new template. The next thing you need to do is to insert the appropriate placeholders in the correct places, add a title, and save it. That's all there is to it. What I would definitely recommend is testing it out a few times to make sure the contract reads correctly and the data are being put into the correct places. But if you spend, just a little bit of time setting this up, you're going to have your contracts with you wherever you go. The investment of time is definitely worth the convenience. Stand by for more great videos from Contract Maker Pro.